Living in a group. Living in a group. We are born in a family. Also, we are brought up in a family. All the members of our family give us love and affection. We feel very secure with all of them. We receive love, affection, and intimacy in our family. As we grow, our needs also increase. We feel that we should play a lot. We should go on picnics and roam about in the mountains or on the seashore. We also want to travel by bus or train and visit many new places. We also try to develop hobbies like drawing, painting, reading books, observing the sky, and collecting information about various birds and animals. We derive pleasure from things like friendship, good company, and association. We also start taking interest in music, drama, and dance in the company of others. We are encouraged by our family to nourish many hobbies. Our parents and relatives help us in this regard. But all these needs are not fulfilled in the family itself. For this purpose, we have to move about in an environment larger than the family. Going beyond our family, we become part of a larger group. We live happily with our family, our neighbors, and all people in our surroundings as part of a larger group. Our needs. We need food and water. Clothing and shelter are also our needs. We can live happily only if we are free from all diseases. Therefore, we must get the necessary amenities to maintain our health and hygiene. We like to learn new things. So, education is also our need. In short, food, clothing, shelter, and education are our fundamental needs. All these needs are satisfied because of our family and the amenities in our environment. Many people strive to fulfill our needs. Life in a group, therefore, involves mutual dependence. We can lead a better life if we cooperate with one another. Food, clothing, and shelter are our basic needs, all right, but those are not all. The desire to excel, to win honors, is also one of our needs. Our cultural life. We celebrate different festivals and ceremonies in our family, in the neighborhood, and also in the entire township. On those occasions, many people come together and experience joy and jubilation. Celebrating festivals, visiting one another on those occasions, coming together, strengthens the bonds amongst us. People of different religions live in our surroundings. We all should participate in the festivities of people belonging to all religions. We must respect all languages and religions. We have plenty of variety in the diet, dress, languages, literature, music, and dances of the people in our country. We try to learn various languages, songs, dances from one another. We enjoy learning to cook the different dishes of the various regions, and we also try to prepare them at home. This sort of give and take adds to our feeling of unity. But we must take care not to damage nature while celebrating any of these festivals and cultural programs. We should not break the branches of trees nor indulge in any damage. We must keep our rivers, lakes, and seashores clean. All our needs are satisfied by nature. Hence, we should honor all nature's gifts such as air, water, jungles, rivers, mountains, wild animals, and birds, etc.